Hi Hawks and Herons. This week and probably a bit of next week as well, we're going to be looking at money and solving problems with money involving counting up money and working out change when we go to the shops, and then just solving some word problems with money. And we're going to be doing that this week and next week. So if you have got some money at home and you are able to use it to count, you just need some coins, some pennies, some 5p's. It'd be brilliant if you can practice counting up and holding and looking at real money. But remember, ask your parents' permission before you go rifling through in their purses, all right? If you don't have coins to hand, that's fine. The PowerPoint slide I've used today is uploaded onto Purple Mash work folder, and you can print off the slides and you can cut out all the individual coins and you can practice playing with those. If you don't have a printer at home, why not just make some? Make a little bit of money. You could even draw round a 20p piece and you can use that to count out change and work out making groups. It will just make it so much easier and a little bit more fun if you have some money to play with, real or fake. Okay, to start off with, this is the number we have on screen. We have our pound sign, which tells us that we're dealing with money. We're not just dealing with any number, we are dealing with money. So that's our pound sign. Before the decimal point here, what we have is the money that is counted up in pounds. And afterwards we have the money that is counted up in pennies. What's the difference between these two? Well, if we look at our next slide, the difference between these two is that within £1, so £1 coin here, and this is what our pound coin looks like now, one whole pound coin, I have 100 pennies. I'll just move my face slightly so you can see. So in £1 coin, we have 100 pennies. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pennies in a column. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So in one whole pound, we have 100 pennies. So when we get to 99 here, it becomes £1 when we add another penny. So when it's 99 here, if we added a penny, it becomes one whole pound. And we can show this a different way as well. If I just get my pen here, I can show this in a different way using different coins. So these 1 penny, 1 penny, I can exchange that for a 2p coin. And this 1 penny and 1 penny, I can exchange for a 2p coin. Again, I can exchange for a 2p coin. And I can keep going until I've now got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I can show a whole pound using 2p coins. And it will look something like this. So instead of counting for up to a pound in 1p coins, I can do it in jumps of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5 2p coins make 10 because 2 times 5 is 10. And I can make a pound by having 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and underneath 100. And 100 pennies is a pound coin. So 50 2p coins is a pound coin. And the next slide shows that with the other values of money. I could have 10 10p pieces. I could have 5 20p pieces. And that will give me a pound because 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, a pound. I could do it in 5p pieces. 5, 10, 15, 20. And 4 of those make a 20 piece. And I can make it up to a pound. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 1 pound. And I hardly need any 50p pieces because 50 is half of 100. So 50, 100. And that gets me to 1 pound. So all I want you to do today is have a little play with some money. If you've got some money at home or you want to print out this sheet, then please do. It's all on Purple Mash. And I want you to have a practice counting up and making different values of money. So you could take these values, for example. So how many ways can you come up to make these values? So how many different ways, how many different coins can you use to make £1? How many different ways and using how many different coins can you use to make 99 pence? How many different coins and how many different ways can you make 50p? And then, this one's a little bit trickier. How many different ways can you make £3.65? Okay, that's all I want you to do today is how many different ways can you make these coins? And if you've got coins at home where you can print out the sheets, then I'd like you to have a little practice making different values than these ones too. And send all your work to me on email. Tomorrow there will be a quiz on counting money on Purple Mash. Alright?